Governor Kathy Hochul today delivering her 2023 State of the State address, outlining her plan for achieving what she calls the New York dream.
Yeah, it's a plan focused on fighting crime, more housing, and a pressing issue for all New Yorkers, improving the city's transit system. News 12's Mary Lynn Buckley joining us now with more on this story.
Governor Hochul took the stage today, front and center in the Assembly chambers at the state capitol in Albany, marking her first State of the State address since becoming the first elected female governor of New York.
Ignoring the needs of these individuals is over.
Her number one priority is keeping New Yorkers safe, followed by a plan to vastly improve public transportation for the millions of New Yorkers that rely on it. Announcing today the Interborough Express Project is going to move forward, following a planning and environmental linkages study. The project will connect communities throughout Brooklyn and Queens to reduce travel times by up to 30 minutes.
And we all know the MTA is the lifeblood of the New York City metropolitan region, and we'll continue to invest and ensure the MTA's long-term fiscal health.
She says this plan is aimed to build new stations and provide transportation benefits for diverse neighborhoods, including Bay Ridge, Sunset Park, Brownsville, and several other neighborhoods that lack efficient transit connections to each other, and even in some cases to Manhattan.
And our investments in our world-class commuter lines have connected more people to jobs and created vibrant downtowns.
Danny Pearlstein is the Policy and Communications Director at the Riders Alliance. He says he's interested in what's to come.
We're going to look to her executive budget coming out in the next couple of weeks to make sure she's not just throwing the MTA a lifeline, but she's actually making a targeted investment in the more frequent service that riders depend on.
MTA Chair Janno Lieber also weighing in, saying in part, reliable mass transit is key for the millions of people for access to housing, jobs, education, and health care, and having the governor's support is vital. The plan overall, Governor Hochul says, is aimed at making transit more accessible, more affordable, and safe. Mary Lynn Buckley, News 12.